Hi everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I have some more project shares for the KSCraft Lovers store. This is for their July release, and I made a few more projects, so I thought I would hop on and show them to you. So I will show you the dies that I used, I'll measure them, and of course I'll link them in the description box if you are interested in ordering. So let's get started. The first one is the Sleeping Mask Shaker, and this one comes in two different options. You could get the basic set and then the accessories. The basic set comes with one like face that you can make with it, and that's a panda bear, but it also comes with the eyelet trim around the edge, which is really pretty. It's got hearts and then circles that it cuts out and a pretty lacy edge. It comes with the two mask layers, and one is smaller than the other, so you can make it into a shaker. It comes with the mustache, and then it comes with the ties, or what looks like ties that you could put on the outside of the mask. Or you could get the accessory set that you can make three different styles. This one has eyelashes and eyebrows. This one has eyelashes cut out, but also stars and dots. And this one says "Do Not Disturb" with the hand sign. So really cute, good size too. Let me show you. I made a couple. I made a shaker and a non-shaker. So let me start with the non-shaker, and that's what this looks like. I used one of the add-on sets, but the rest of it comes with the basic set. And I really do love this scalloped edge. It's not really scalloped, it's more of a lacy eyelet edge, and I do love the hearts that it cuts out, and the circles cuts out really well. I used 110-pound cardstock, and it did cut out well. I had to poke out a few of the circles, but no big deal. Then I used both of the layers of the mask just to vary my papers a little bit. This one is a pink shimmer paper, got a little something in there, and then I also cut the smaller one out with black glossy cardstock and just layered it underneath, and I think that's so pretty. I used a gold paper for the straps on the edge, and that's what the back looks like. I think this would be a really nice tag on a gift bag for a new mom, or just like a spa gift bag. If you do those kind of things, I think they're really fun to give presents that people might not buy themselves. So I think this would make a nice tag hanging off the edge. It's got like a loop right there. You can, put your ribbon through it and then just do it like a to and a from on the back. So I think that's really cute. And this one measures, without the loops, it's about 5 inches long and about 2 3/4 inches wide or so. If you add the loops, it's about 6 inches long. So isn't that cute? I think that's so pretty. And then I did make a shaker one, and I used the base that it comes with, the little panda. And yeah, it's so cute. Sorry, I said that a lot already, but you know how it is. I used Dollar Tree foam board to make it into a shaker, and I used some acetate, of course, to keep all the sequins in. And I cut out the face part of some matte purple paper, and then I used just purple and gold is the theme basically for this one. So I used a bunch of shaker bits that coordinated. I used some gold diamond dots. I used sequins. I used confetti sequins. And it moves around really nice. The background paper is also purple and gold, and I did use that same white 110-pound cardstock to cut out the lacy edge. And then I used that gold for the straps as well, and for the outline of the shaker. And this again would be a great gift tag, I think. So yeah, really cute, right? Or you can use this as the front of a card, and this would make your whole card front, just put it on a base, and you're all set. So super cute. I think that's a really fun idea. So that's my first project I wanted to share with you. The next one is the beach cabin. And the beach cabin comes with all of these pieces. You can make this into a mini album or a tag flip or just an embellishment, but it's a cute little beach hut. This die here cuts out individual slats, so that would be fun if you wanted to mix and match it with different colors. But I'll I'll show you what I did in a second. But it also comes with the word beach hut, and it comes with the shadow for each of those, which is really nice. It comes with 2 roof lines. One of them is wavy. It comes with the surfboard and then a surfboard layering piece, or I don't know if it's a surfboard or a paddleboard. I'm not sure. It comes with the door that's embossed with a little heart that cuts out, and then a rectangle too that you can layer under the door. And yeah, a flagpole, a layering piece for the bottom. It's really, really cute, different flags. I did not make it into a summer project. When I saw this roof outline, I instantly thought of icing. So, you know, I'm always thinking about gingerbread houses and stuff. So I made mine into a gingerbread house. So let me show you mine. It's a gingerbread house card. So this is it. And like I was saying about the slats for the front of the beach hut, I really did not want to paper piece all those slats. It just kind of, yeah, just kind of stressed me out thinking about that. So what I did was I cut it out of some craft foam, and this is foam that I got at Hobby Lobby or Joann's. And when you cut it out of foam, the pieces don't separate readily, so it comes out all in one piece. So I thought that would be great to do for the gingerbread house in the tan, or if you know, if you wanted to make it into a beach hut, still use the tan foam and you don't have to separate those pieces. So that's what I did. I think this would have been better embossed instead of cutting apart the individual slats, because it's hard to paper piece all of those. So anyway, that's my opinion. And the icing here I cut out of some white glitter paper, and I did that with the door, which still embossed, which is really cute, I thought. And then with the like a threshold or whatever that's called at the bottom of your door. And I added some gingerbread-y type accessories. These are snowflake embellishments. They're kind of like felt on foam that I had gotten from AliExpress. I think Erica had gotten them and I ordered them after she had linked them. And this gingerbread guy, this is from a Sizzix die set that I have, and I just thought the scale of it would go really well with this project, so I cut that out and layered him up as well. And then I added some candy pieces that I had in my stash. I really like this one. I had gotten this one from, I think from Happy Kawaii Supplies on Etsy. So it coordinated nicely with the other ones that I had in my stash. And I did add a cute little flag that came from the die set, and I added this word sweet. It's a sticker from this sticker sheet that I had gotten last year. It's from P13 Sugar and Spice. I think it was from scrapbook.com, but it's got like all like sweet kind of sayings, and I thought it would go perfectly on that little flag. And I used some pinks and teal papers that I had in my stash, and I paper pieced a little heart in there, and I thought that looked really, really cute. So I love this color combination, and I think it's an effective gingerbread house. And you can even make, like, I was thinking like a Christmas by the Sea card, and I didn't have any like Santa beach stickers or something like that, but if you do, I think that would be really fun to send to somebody who lives like in the South for Christmas or something like that, or if you do. And then on the inside, I added the stamp that I just gotten recently from A Cherry on Top. It says Holiday Wishes with gingerbread hugs and peppermint kisses. So it's a Christmas card already, and yeah, I think it's adorable. The house itself measures not even 5 inches, just about 5 inches top to bottom, and then from roof to roof line, it's about 4 inches. So super cute. You know, I will, I'm sure, make it into a beach hut when summer comes around again, but I'm kind of done with summer crafting, so that's why I wanted to make it into something for an upcoming holiday. So I like this. I like winter better than summer anyway, so that's why I made that as well. All right, let's move on to the next project. The next 2 I made actually used these 2 products. This one is called the Halloween Bat Bow, and this one is the skeleton. For the bat bow, it makes a really, really cute bow. Easy to make. It's got stitch lines on it, which is awesome. It has a layering piece for the bow, which is always nice, and then it comes with the tie that goes around the bow. So you can cut this out of whatever kind of paper you want, whatever kind of color scheme you're doing for Halloween, and then, you know, add embellishments or whatever you want to make it your own. The skeleton, I think this is the cutest pose for a skeleton, and it comes with the layering piece, as you can see, which is really nice. And the skeleton cuts out really well. All the rib pieces cut out well. There's like spaces here in the arms that cut out nicely. And yeah, it's really fun, I thought. So let me show you what I made. First, I'll show you one of the bat bows that is separate from the other project, if I can find it. Oh, there it is. Okay, it was hiding. So this is one of the bat bows. So sweet, right? So I used some black shimmer paper for the bat itself. And for the bow part, I used that silver ribbon, that wide ribbon I'd gotten from Dollar Tree. And then I used a pink shimmer paper for the layering piece for the bow. It's stitched, as you can see, the background and this layering piece. This little ghost sticker I had gotten from Target last year. And it's just a really sweet, small bow. It measures lengthwise, it's about 2 inches long and about 1 3/8 from top to bottom. So very cute, right? And if you don't want to make it into a bat bow, you can leave that back part off and just have it a little bow like that. I love that it's very simple with the stitching and versatile in that way. So there's that. And let me show you the one with the other bat bow and the skeleton. I made this into a tag, and look how cute that is. This skeleton I cut out of white shimmer paper, and then for the layering pieces I cut out of a black paper that has a spider web print on it, and then an orange paper that has, I think it's like stars or something on it. And this is from a new Stephen Duncan paper that I just hauled recently. And then in his hands, I thought a cute little pumpkin sticker from that same pack from Target looked really cute. And then this little sticker, if you've got it haunted, that comes from a Michael's sticker book. And I added another one of those little ghosts there that I showed you before. And the background paper is, I thought went really well. It's a bunch of skeletons like in different poses. Kind of looks like they're dancing as well. This tag in the back is from Scrap Diva Designs that I gotten in a design team package. And I thought it looked kind of like coffin-esque on the top at least. And then it has the scallops on the bottom. And in the scallops, I added some orange gemmies and also some Nouveau drops on every other one. So yeah, I popped everything up on some foam tape just to give it some dimension. And this is that other bat bow I was telling you about. And I did use 2 different bat layers. The one paper has actual bats on it, and the other one is a different orange paper. I made a little bow again with that Dollar Tree ribbon and orange paper. And then I used a candy corn sticker that I had gotten at Dollar Tree last year, and then some orange and black twine, whoops, that I had in my stash as well. And the back is just some orange paper. I layered it underneath the skeleton paper just to give it some stability and to add some nice orange touch as well. So let's measure this. The skeleton from the top of his hand to his foot is about 4 1/8 or so. And then, what's the widest part? Maybe from the elbow to the other foot is about 2.5 inches or so, you know, give or take. So I thought this was a really fun tag. This would be great on a Halloween card or present, or just as decoration, maybe add it onto a small wreath in your house, something like that. So yeah, that's my other project, and that's actually all I have to share with you today. I hope you like all of my projects. If you have any questions, let me know. Again, I will leave the links down below, and I'll be back soon with more crafty videos. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day. Bye everyone.